Noni Afghani. Afghan bread. A bread from Afghanistan. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Mix half cup of warm water, yeast, and sugar together and let it proof for 10 minutes. When froth appears, sprinkle half teaspoon flour on top and let it continue to proof for 5 more minutes. The froth
Step
will
2.
rise quickly. Put flour in a large mixing bowl and sprinkle salt over it. Make a well in middle of the flour and add oil and the yeast mixture. Stir this in and add small amounts of water until you have produced a soft, moist dough that can be handled. Knead well for 5 minutes. Put dough ball back in bowl, cover with a towel, and let it rise for 1.5 hours. Punch down dough. Step 4. Divide dough into 8 equal parts and roll each part into a ball. Roll each ball into an oval shape 6 to 7 inches long and ½ inch thick. Draw tines of a fork in 3 lines along the length of each noni for a decorative design. Countries, travel. Paint each noni with egg